What's going on? We are at Fixx Fest 2021 out here at the firm, and I brought a race car to a car show. So as you guys saw in the video, I did get the body sandblasted, got the doors on, fuel tech is on, it's not wired in. Got the cage painted the panels. We also bead rolled the panels. So a couple more things. We're gonna try to start getting some wiring done. Engine's there, but overall, looks pretty good. A lot of people are liking it. So I like it. It's getting there. A little dusty out here. There's an airstrip, and there also is a road track, racing track that you can road race your car and test it out, which is pretty cool. But yep, that's what's going on for today. So we get to vote for our favorite cars. Of course, mine is G7. I can't vote for mine. We're doing that. Here's the beast over there. Not painted, but Lindsay's gonna help me. Which one? That's the wiener? Besides mine, I know you want to vote for mine, but
yeah, of course I do.
Yeah, so that one is.
If he wins, you have the
G6. G6. The T, Class T. What is that? Oh, other Euro. We got the Porsche. This Mercedes. That's all I know. Just a Mercedes. Another BMW. Oh, but look at this. Wow, that's clean. What do you think? No? It's a classic car, no? Well, so is the Porsche too. It's clean though. We gotta give them all a chance. You can't just pick one. Whoa, look at this Mini. Oh, this is clean.
Do you need a P3 gauge? What do you drive?
Yeah. Whoa, I don't know.
Oh, this is best, you gotta remember this one for...
This is the first one you saw. Okay. Oh, yeah. Is it under the T? T class? Let's see. Yeah, it's under a T. Oh, other, Euro other. Euro other. All right, we got these guys. What do you think? The Porsche? All right. Of course, she said. That thing looks clean. This thing. Thank you. Oh, 90s VW. I like 90s VW. I used to have one of these. All right. I think so. I'm not sure. Is it an M class? Oh, it's a Rabbit. Yeah. Oh, this is a wagon. My uncle used to have one of these.
So checking the board, we actually need two.
Oh, this is the 80s.
For the piloting contest for 2 o'clock. So if you want to sign up,
look, they're in the 80s. Oh, look at the engine bay in this one. But look at the Cabrio. Cabrio's really nice too.
For the piloting contest.
Ooh, I don't know.
And you think you're going to get an entire fucking car without your
Is there a
hands,
best engine?
go and sign up. Again,
Oh yeah, there is a best engine overall.
to get in there.
That's really nice. We'll get our laps in today.
To get signed up.
So the 80s, we got up to these two right here.
That's it?
I think so. Is there how many?
Oh,
Go
does
to
it
the-
show? No, it goes up to...
Oh, 9. That's
Maybe
many
they're
of
just
them.
not here.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, they're not. Yep, they didn't come. No show, no go. I don't know. I really like the tan interior on this one.
Yeah, I just like the two full colors.
Yeah. Oh, this old school color is really nice. Yeah. What do you think? It's up to you. All right. Does he have a thing on it? Oh, it's on the... Whoa. Whoa. I'm going in and out on this this video, but I'm just trying to get things done. But I started the wiring on the Fuel Tech system. Let me show you what I got done. That looks like a mess. I think a lot of those wires I'm not going to use. But what I did get done, let's see. So fuel pump is wired into the relay. I got that done. Water pump is done. What is this one? I think these are... I don't know what the hell these are. That's the main relay. I think these are injectors. Yep, these are an injector relay. So I got those 4 relays somewhat done. Still running the harness this way. Some grounds from the ECU are over here. I did just end up getting a longer wideband harness because this one was too short, of course. So if anybody needs that, I got one. So I have that. Run some power wires. Got the switch here. I haven't put it on the car. I'm not sure if I probably put it up here or something. But anyway, so that's going there. I made this panel. I think I showed you guys that already before. So some of this stuff is getting done. A couple of the grounds you can see are getting done from the ECU, from the sensors. And I'm going to take you back here. So I got the coil pack harness sensor. Ended up going to the junkyard and getting a cam plug from a Jetta pigtail. So I cut that off. So then I can solder that, get that done. Got the injectors done. All 4 of the sensors from the ECU are connected. Got the power done. That's going straight to my panel that I made over there. I got this block here, which is really good from Motion Raceworks. Motion Raceworks sells that block for the sensor block, which is pretty good, just to keep it away from the engine. And then I did the hard wire, or I'm sorry, the hard lines to go that way. Not sure how I'm gonna, this is a fuel one, so if it leaks, I'll do a braided line, but the engine's gonna be pretty solid on here. We'll see if this is gonna work or it's gonna break, I'm not sure. But I did that one for the fuel pressure and the wastegate pressure line. So those 2 are going to the block. The water temp, I need to make a aluminum plate here, take it to Julian to weld the fitting for the sensor, and then also the AN fitting for the water for the radiator. So we're getting there, trying to get this car turned on. You know, I'm not really sure how I like about this since it's so far. This is for the map sensor on the ECU. So I had to order a long line to put it back here. We'll see what's going to work and what's not. But I just want to give you guys an update on the wiring on the car. It's getting done. So the last part of the wiring I need to do, got to finish these 4 sensors. I'm sorry, I think it's 5 for right now. So we got the fuel pressure, oil, what is this? The wastegate pressure, the water temperature, and oil pressure. I think that's about it for right now as the pressure sensors. Of course, we have, I went to the junkyard. I was trying to get a there was a Q45 there with the TPS. Didn't have it, so I'm gonna have to order it online. I did get the pigtail. I hope I'm gonna get the right one, but this uses a Q45 TPS, so I'm waiting on, I have to order one of those. I ordered the pigtail for that so I can wire that in. Other things. Crank I need to wire in. The cam I need to wire in. And also the coils. So once the wiring's done, of course the starter also needs to get done. That's easy. I'll put a relay on that. And then I need to start cleaning this up. So a lot of these wires are already tagged it, so a lot of it's getting done. So I'm just trying to run it that way. What I do need and what I don't need, I'll roll it up and do something. Not sure how I'm gonna set this all up, you know, to cover this. I know the front end's gonna come up to here and the windshield's gonna go there, but still needs to be covered somehow. So I gotta figure it out. Maybe a panel that goes from here to here would be ideal. I'm not sure, actually. I don't know anything. So we'll see. That's a long time from now, but we'll try to get the car running, see if we can make some noise out of this thing before the new year's done. I started running the wiring. I got to order a battery cable that goes all the way from there to back. And what else do I need to do? A couple other things. So just want to give you guys an update on that. I'm going to finish the video now on this, and then hopefully on the next video, we can get some power onto the ECU and keep you guys up to date. I'm also using their graph here that they got going on. I was using this at first, and then since I'm adding, it's only showing a couple sensors, but since I added the wastegate pressure sensor, it changed the pinouts to the A plug, not the B. So like some of them switch. So you can get that once you set it up on your laptop or your program, it will show where all your stuff goes. So it's pretty cool. So it's not that bad. So this is what I've been using, and also the laptop to get things taken care of. So, all right, I'll close it out there and we'll go on to the next one.